this is Dr. Aarti Bakshi. Welcome to Learning Skills for Life. We are working on Chapter 7, Grade 3. And this is all about friendship, the relationship of friendship. So, what's the meaning of friendship? What if you had a recipe? Do you put a whole cup of kindness? Do you put 2 tablespoons of sharing? Do you put half a sparkle of keeping secrets? I wonder what your recipe would be. You see, in relationships and specifically in friendship, you can either be a buddy, a close friend, a bully, or not interested. So there's a new child in school. Do you smile at them, ignore them, or be rude to them? What about saying a hello? What about sharing? Now these are times when you need to know, who would you wish to be? So be honest and put in your thoughts on being a great friend. So welcome aboard and let's go on this learning journey.